Hello my friends, and welcome to the last part of this project. After we have added successfully the internet permissions to the manifest, and since we have specified for this class the movie app as held Android app, if we run the app, it will give us an error indicating there is no specification in the Android manifest and there is an error. So held app activity must be attached to held annotation Android app application. Did you forget to specify your application's class name in your manifest? Yes. So how to solve this error? We go to the manifest here, and it's as indicated here, we need to specify the application's name inside the application tag and using the Android name and here the attribute. So we put Android name, and what is the name of the class with that we have annotated it as a held Android app. So it is .movie app. Okay, this is the thing that we need to put inside the manifest. Another thing that I should remember you to add here, and we have missed it in the ViewModel, is like these two dependencies, because we have added and used the ViewModel with KTX with Kotlin annotations and abbreviations, and we need to add the extension here. So this is the last and this is the final use of the Gradle. And these are the libraries that we have used: the Retrofit, RxJava 3, paging library, RX3 support, Hilt, Dagger, Glide, Lifecycle, and the ViewModel. Now we click on Sync Now, and let's run the app on our emulator. Now, and here we go. This is our application. So if we go and see the movies, scroll down the movies, and this is the loading screen, and they are scrolling down. So if you see, guys, we are getting all the movies according to the pages. So if we scroll down, so more and more pages are open. Okay, so according to the requested thing, the requested data from the user, we are fetching the data from the server. We are not getting all the server data. We are getting only, like for this example, like the page number 7. Okay, so the page number 7, page number 8 is not loaded and not fetched until we scroll down. You see, this is page number 8, for example. This page number 9, page number 10. So according to that, we are fetching it from the API and the server according to paging requests. So this is the use of the paging library. This is very important because we don't need to specify all and get all the data from the server. We are getting the data according to the pages. We also used the ViewModel and the MVVM. Also, we have used the Retrofit to fetch the data. We have used the Hill Dagger to make dependency injections and prevent any errors. And we have created also used our friend Glide to display the image effectively. Okay, so this is a very important project. I hope you benefit from this project, and I hope you support us by rating us 5 stars on Udemy, and support us for this course also by sharing with your friends in order to allow us making new tutorials every day. So thank you, guys. Hope you see you in